Welcome back my YouTube family. I'm your instructor. My name is Rashid. In today's episode, we are going to learn something very exciting and super useful, how to create and analyze a heat map in Tableau. This chart is a fantastic way to show patterns and trends in data, and once you understand it, you will be able to use it in your own reports to impress your boss, clients and team. Let's look at the chart on the screen. This is a heat map, and what it's doing is showing the sales data for different brands across different regions. On the left side, on y-axis, you see the different brands, and on the x-axis, you see the 4 regions: central, north, south and southern. And now the interesting thing about this chart is the color. The color represents the size of the sales. Darker colors mean more sales, lighter color means less sales. For example, if you look at the super brand in north region, it's having the more sales. Similarly, you can see the Britannia having more sales in southern regions than in central, north and lastly in south. This is why heat maps are so powerful. They allow you to quickly see where the sales are high and where the sales are low.
First, we need to set up the basic structure of our heat map. A heat map requires 2 categories, which means we need 2 dimensions. So the first one is the brand, and I'm going to insert my brand to the rows, and the next one is the region. So I'm going to insert my region to the columns, and from this I'm going to select this entire view. Now we need to add some data to our heat map to create the color effect. We will do this by dragging the sales measure to the color. As soon as we do that, Tableau will color the cells in the matrix based on the sales values. The darker the color, the higher the sales. Now I'm going to visit this label. I'm going to select this show mark labels. I'm going to this alignment, center align and midden align. Then I'm going to make it bold.
You now know how to use a heat map in Tableau to analyze data quickly and efficiently. If you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment section and I will be happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of this incredible playlist. Goodbye.